Now we will see the sensitivity setting for the 70-degree flange. So for that we have to select one call set. So we will select the call set number 3 for the 70-degree flange testing. So this is set number 3. So we will press the enter. Now record. Now we have to see the sensitivity setting for this 70 degree. So first we have to see the angle. This is 70 degree. Now we have to see the mode. Mode should be T plus R. Okay. Probe 0, delay, velocity, range 165 and reaction. So this is 20%. We can make maximum up to 20%. So this is the 20% means okay. Now we will increase the gain. And we will move this probe at this location. Here 3 mm hole in the flange middle portion for the sensitivity setting of the 70 degree probe of the weld testing. So reflection will get from this 3 mm hole. So now it is not coming. So first we have to increase the gain and we have to shift the gate towards the left. Now we will increase the gain. So this is the defect echo moving and we have to make it 60%. So it is now 44. We have to make it 60%. So we will increase the gain. Okay, now our height of this echo is 62. So sensitivity setting for this 70 degree flange is completed.